Protein powders explained. Which is perfect for you? Are you contemplating what type of protein powder to invest in? Or perhaps you're just curious about the different types available in the market. If that's the case, this is the perfect video for you. Welcome back to Health Fruition Channel. In this channel, we discuss everything about health. We are a growing channel that will help you along your wellness journey. We understand that being new to the fitness world could be intimidating and confusing, but it shouldn't be that way. And so we created a video that breaks down all the essential information about protein powders entitled All About Protein Powder. Is it worth the hype? This is the first video we created about protein powder. If you would prefer to know more about the basics, we recommend that you watch that video first. But if you already know the basics and need guidance on what type of protein powder to buy, then continue watching this video. And oh, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can produce more health-related content. Comment down below on topics you want to see us cover next. Now, let us enter the fascinating world of different protein powders. Here we go. Different varieties of protein powders. We know protein powders gained popularity because of the fitness community's interest in them. However, knowing the different types of protein powder available updates us on the current trends in the health community. At the same time, it equips us with information about which protein powder is perfect for our lifestyle and diet. Choosing the protein powder to incorporate into your diet can be challenging because of the vast options available. But do not fret, we are here to share with you the most common protein powders, so by the end of this video, we hope you will know which one is the right match for you. To fully understand protein powders, one must know the forms in which they exist. This will be explained in the first and middle parts of this video, so keep watching. Common forms of protein powder. Protein powders are a source of protein commonly used by gym-goers and athletes with hopes of gaining muscle or improving their athletic performance. These powders are from either dairy, eggs, or other plant-based proteins. Beware, the following information could be a bit technical, but this information is vital in successfully differentiating protein powders from one another. So buckle up and be ready to be a protein powder expert. Here are the 3 common forms in which these protein powders exist. 1. Protein concentrates. First, we have protein concentrates made by extracting protein from food. This can be done by using heat or enzymes. Protein extracted in this form supplies around 60 to 80% of protein. Meanwhile, the remaining percentages of 20 to 40% are composed of fat and carbs. 2. Protein isolates. In producing protein isolates, another step is added in the creation process. This additional filtering process removes more fat and carbs. This means the percentage of protein is higher. Protein isolate powders contain 90 to 95% protein, which is higher than protein concentrates. 3. Protein hydrolysis. Lastly, we have protein hydrolysis. This protein powder is produced by further heating the acid or enzymes. The body's muscles quickly absorb this form of protein powder. That is the last type of protein powder. Is it easy or difficult to remember them? Could you answer in the comments below which type of protein contains the most percentage of fat and carbohydrates? Let us hear your answers in the comments below. Now, what are different sources of protein powders? Since we already know the types of protein powders, why not take it a step further and learn the different sources of protein powder? This is the ultimate key to knowing which protein powder source should be a part of your daily life. We will start with the most common protein powder, whey protein. Whey protein. When the topic is about protein powders, one of the first names you will hear is whey protein. This type of protein comes from milk. It separates from the milk curds in the process of churning the milk. It is high in protein, which is why it is extracted to be made as protein powder. Whey protein is the most common protein powder chosen by athletes and those who want to build muscle because whey digests quickly. At the same time, it contains branched-chain amino acids that serve an essential role in muscle growth after exercise. But on the other hand, it also contains lactose that may be difficult to digest for other people with lactose intolerances. Also, if you are vegan, this is not the protein powder for you. Keep tuning into this video and see other protein powders suitable to your diet. Casein protein. Casein is another protein powder derived from milk. Unlike whey, which is remarkable because it is easily digestible, casein is relatively digested slower. This is because it forms a gel that interacts with stomach acids. This slows down the process of digestion. Casein may take longer to digest than whey, but it is more effective in increasing muscle than plant-based protein sources. A remarkable benefit of using casein-based protein powder over whey is represented in a study where overweight men experienced improved body composition when consuming casein-based protein powder compared to whey. Casein-based protein powders are for you if you want muscle gain and body recomposition that comes with fat loss. But remember that this protein powder only helps the process. The main contributor to body recomposition is still working out and eating a balanced diet. Who knew milk had these many products other than cheese and yogurt? Amazing, right? But if you are one of our followers who are not fans of milk or anything animal-based, the following protein powders may be the perfect match for you. Plant-based protein powders. It is unbelievable how high amounts of protein could now be sourced from plant-based sources. Though plant-based protein powders lack some amino acids usually found in animal-based protein powders, it is still a great option if you are vegan or have a pre-existing condition such as the inability to digest lactose. Here are the different sources of plant-based proteins currently available in the market. Soy protein. This protein powder is sourced from soybeans. It is cheaper and easy to add to a vegan diet. This is also a good option if you are lactose intolerant. Usual soy protein powders contain 90% protein, higher than other plant-based protein powders. It also includes all 9 essential amino acids, unlike other plant-based protein powder. Amazing, right? There is another plant-based powder like soy protein, so keep watching. Pea protein. Pea protein powder is also popular among vegans and people with dietary allergies. It is sourced from yellow split pea. The high-fiber legume contains 8 out of 9 essential amino acids. It is also rich in BCAAs or branched-chain amino acids. Pea protein powder is promising, but more studies could be done to confirm these results. Which is perfect for you? That was such a comprehensive but engaging dive all about protein powders. We learned about the 3 types of protein powders along with different animal and plant-based sources of these protein powders. But the question remains, which protein powder is perfect for you? The fantastic thing about this question is how the only one who could answer this is yourself. We only give them information, and from that, you could make educated choices that apply to your personal nutritional needs. All mentioned protein powders can provide protein, but some may be more effective depending on your body's needs. Know what your body needs, and you can finally choose which protein powder is for you. Is it whey, casein, soy? If you reach the end of this video, you can surely choose which protein powder is perfect for you. Now you are a certified protein powder expert. Use the information to select the ideal powder to add to your diet. Thank you for watching this video. We are more than happy to assist in your fitness journey. Health Fruition Channel aims to help our viewers reach their full fitness potential. Indeed, you are now ready to share what you have learned about protein powders. Let us know in the comments section below which protein powder you selected for yourself and why. We would love to hear your insights through the comments section. Also, feel free to check out our other videos and comment your video suggestions down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of new posts. Remember to take care of your health, and good luck optimizing your diet for your fitness journey. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.